Hey everybody, today is Saturday, May 16th. Chris with Shady's Incorporated, giving you guys a little update on everything that happened over the week. Met up with all the resort owners, a lot of the resort owners on Mille Lacs Lake. Spoke with some fishing guides on Mille Lacs Lake, on Lake of the Woods, on a few of the other places. Spoke with some campground owners who are also closed right now. Also some rental businesses that do, they rent all kinds of things out, general rental places like that. These places are suffering just like every bar and restaurant. We got bad news. We got bad news yesterday. At about 4:45, the Attorney General called me and let me know that if we open, we will be given a $25,000 fine per location, per occurrence, with no maximum of how many times it can happen per day. With 6 locations, we cannot afford a $150,000 fine. We couldn't afford it before. We can't afford it now, most certainly after being closed for 8 weeks, which feels like 3 years for most of us. I'm giving you guys an update because we cannot open our bars on Monday. Our hands are tied. I fought a fight that I didn't think I was ever going to have to fight. A fight for the small businesses, a fight for the right to be open, a fight for us as Americans to be able to make a living on this, a fight for our employees to come to work, that are very excited to come to work because we are all small town America. We are Minnesota strong, you guys. I'll repeat that 100 times. We are Minnesota strong. We are small town America. We are not big city. We are prepared for COVID-19. We have been the whole time. We have licenses to prove that. Food and health, liquor, a lot of us all have those. I don't want to see this happen to you guys ever again. I don't want to see one person deciding whether or not we should all be open. It should be a vote between the people. If you don't want to go out and you don't want to go to the bars and restaurants, you don't want to go to a campground, you don't want to go on a houseboat, that you'd have a better chance on getting eaten by a timber wolf or a grizzly bear than getting COVID-19. If you don't want to do any of those things, I strongly suggest you stay home. And we understand. This is a very real thing. We take this very serious. Health is number one. Health to our customers, our employees, is always number one, especially in the business that we're all in, small businesses, you guys. I don't want to see this happen. We all feel betrayed, whether it's by law enforcement that told us they will step down, or by somebody that, somebody that has your back. We have everybody's back. Small businesses, we always have. Whether you're in competition with somebody, maybe you're in competition with the neighbor down the street, you guys still are friends. You guys still need to work together. We all have. We all always have. Be proud of your neighbors. With us not opening, we are going to try to open the 20th. Governor Walz comes out with a new safety precaution plan that's taken him 8 weeks to get done. We hope that he gets that done. If he doesn't, it says he has to have it done. So we're assuming it's going to be done on the 20th. There's no promises on us being open on the 1st. So what we're planning on doing is we want to open on the 20th. Once we get that paperwork that says the health, what we need to do to follow the orders, we will get that to our health inspectors and get them approved ASAP. And we'll try to open Wednesday the 20th. Here's the deal. I want to take this a little further for you guys, though. I want to, after being so involved on something and talking with so many people and seeing the hurt that's so real for us, we need to go further. Shady's is willing to put somewhat of our name on the line for this and make it happen. We're willing to take this to the Supreme Court. We need to fight this in Wisconsin. It took them 9 days to get to the Supreme Court. We're hoping that we can get there sooner than that, or if 9 days, it's still sooner than another 2 weeks or another 2 weeks after that. I need all your guys' small business support. I need anybody that can help us out with this. We've never done a GoFundMe page. I've donated on them. I've never had one. We don't want any of this money for ourselves. We have no intentions of keeping any of this money. This money will be donated to open other small businesses around Minnesota in the future, if there's any money left over. Our attorney said this will cost about $100,000 to get it to the Supreme Court. We don't have $100,000. If we can raise the $70,000 of that money on GoFundMe, we'll fight it. We'll bring it there, and we'll make sure that doesn't happen again. Again, none of this money will be used for us. We have zero intentions of keeping any of it. We do not want any of it. We want to work for our money, just like the rest of you guys. I'm here for you all. Call Lee or I, please. We're available all weekend. If you guys got any questions or concerns, the bar owners and restaurants that I've chatted with and resort owners that I've pushed so hard for, I hope you guys understand that we're all here together. Again, we're Minnesota Strong. Like and share. Donate if you want. Again, none of the money is going to go towards us. It's going to go to open a small business later on for you. Like and share. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe out there.